Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. It's not Gunpla today, but it's an original one. But it's not Gunpla again. But yeah, it's still a model kit, so it still goes into the Gunpla Bear Show. Okay, so we have here this very it's big but it's smooth and squishy kind of parcel or package. So without further ado, let's open or let's unleash this with my rusty hobby knife right here. But yeah, it's still sharp. It can still open packages, but do not use rusty hobby knife on building your model kits or Gunpla. Okay, so let's go. Let's unleash. Whoa, so okay, so before we proceed, I have here some kind of this. So that's why it's squishy, because it has this kind of bubble wrap right here. So it's like a, yeah, I don't know what it's like, but it's nice. Okay, so yeah, let's continue. Okay, so we have here your... Woo! It's your Kamen Rider Wizardo. Or Wizard. It's on Japanese, so it's Wizardo. Okay, so this is Kamen Rider Wizard Flame style. The first form of Kamen Rider Wizard. And yeah, why about this? As I told you on my last vlogs on the past, I buy kits because I already watched its series, and I still don't watch the series of the Kamen Rider Wizard. I'm currently watching the Kamen Rider Kamen Rider Drive. Yeah, I'm watching that, the Kamen Rider with the wheels on its shoulder and its chest. Okay. So, why I bought this? Because when it's first released, the Kamen Rider Wizard Figurized Standard, am I correct? Yeah, Figurized Standard is, for me, it's a little bit pricey because it goes until 2,000 pesos to 2,500 pesos. So, yeah, a little bit very pricey, because in that price I already bought the Kamen Rider Ryuki with its dragon. But here, it's just the Kamen Rider Wizard. So, I think it's not worth the price for that time. But when I saw a shop that have a sale for this one, and it's only 1,400 pesos, and with the shipping, a little bit of the shipping fee, because I have some discount of the shipping fee, so it goes 1,500. I know it's 1,000. Yeah, 1,530, right, like that. And yeah, I bought this because it's already an opportunity to have that almost 1,000 pesos in discount. Because if you're here in the Philippines and you see this in mall, it's already 2,000 to 2,500 pesos on some sellers and also in malls here in the Philippines. So it's very, very nice to have that opportunity to buy on most cheapest price of that product. Okay, so yeah, let's go first on the box. That's the Wizard. And then right here, wow, the form is very nice. As I know, these are less stickers, they say. But yeah, let's see. We'll open a little bit and we'll just take... Oh, what? It's very nice, guys. The silver is really silvery. I hope it's undergated. And yeah, it's undergated. So, nice. And as I told you, less stickers. But yeah, I'm wrong because it has a lot of stickers, especially on the cape inside. It's red. It's just inside the cape, so I think I will just use the stickers than painting them, because they will just stay. But if the kind of sticker will peel out in nowhere, or after how many months or years, then that's the time that I will paint this kit. Okay, so yeah, so this is your Kamen Rider Wizard Figurized Standard. And yeah, as I know, it's also nice. I think Wizard comes after Forze, if I'm correct. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay, I hope you do it. Yeah, more this kind of content next time. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Bear Show.